Yo, what's up everybody? This is Fern giving you that part 2 from the previous video I made where I'm cutting the wood. What did I use the wood for? Well, you're about to see. It took me a long little while to do and I hope you enjoy it. Here it is.
Here's what came from it. Okay, here's the start of. I may have a mess in. I was using the oscillating tool to make these two flat. Didn't show it cutting because cutting was pretty difficult. I didn't use a chainsaw. I hand cut it in parts, some parts of it. So this one's almost flat. This one still needs work on. I'm gonna keep hitting it with the oscillating tool, and probably I'm gonna take these outside though. Already made a big mess here. My vacuum is not working, so I'm gonna take this outside and get back on it. We outside. Plug this guy in. I'm gonna continue making this as flat as possible. That becomes gotta go. This side over here. Not too good. What's up? It's day 3, I think day 3 or 2 of the logging. I'm back at it. We got so far. We got one that's pretty straight. See that? That's pretty. It's pretty straight. It's got a little dips in it, but oh no, this is almost done. And but this one, this is heavier too. This one we got this big old curve right here, and this part is way too high, and this part is way too high. So we're gonna have to. I think I'm gonna hit it again with the oscillating tool. Let's see where that takes us. Let's check it out. So I decided to hold off on that chisel and decided to go with the saw. Now that was a fiasco. As you'll see right now, I do not know how to hold this piece of wood. I don't have a workbench outside, so I'm trying to hold it between my legs and cut with one hand. The saw is designed for 2 hands, I believe. It's pretty big, and I was not getting anything done holding it like that. I tried another way, couldn't get it to stick. I tried sideways, it was worse. Couldn't get like a real good grip on the saw. It was getting tired from the positions I was right there. I decided to screw this, and I'm going to get my clamps. So I went and got my clamps and clamped it against that piece of wood you see right there behind the tree trunk, and I clamped the top and the bottom, but didn't really help as much as I needed to. Oh, it's a girl barking. Didn't really help as much as I needed to, and as you can see, I'm sawing, but I'm not using a lot of strength, so it's not really cutting deep. It's kind of just like grazing it. I get frustrated, decided to stand up. It's not cutting really good, but I decided to keep going because, well, I was already dug in, you know, like, see, I tried to get on the other side, maybe cut it like that. It's not working. So by this time, I'm already tired. I'm just like, screw this. And the board was also moving, so I decided to clamp it to the board and the trunk to this welding cart that I have outside right there. And it helped, but still you could see it's not really cutting deep at all. I'm getting frustrated more. I'm tired. Don't know what to do. So by the end of that, I just decided to ditch the saw. I ditched the saw and decided to pull out some chisels and chisel it, which is not as easy either. You can only take off little pieces by piece, but it was taking more off than the saw, and that's at least that's pretty much all that I can ask for. I guess. I don't know. Okay, I've been working these 2 pieces of wood for quite some time. It's a little late to be power tooling it, so I'm just gonna hit them with this bad boy because we're almost pretty much done. I was working with the oscillating tool for a little bit, but yeah, I think I can just sand them down and then it will be good to go. I'm gonna sand these down real quick. We'll be back.